In today's video, we're discussing to you guys about the major severe weather outbreak, and in fact, there's a moderate risk for today, Friday, November 4th, 2022. Welcome everybody, my name is Shuman, and in today's video episode, we'll be discussing to you guys about the severe weather outbreak now. A moderate risk is enforced for Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, and parts of Louisiana. I was telling you there was a chance in yesterday's video that there was a chance we could see a moderate risk, and we are about to witness a moderate risk for the first time in many months. And that includes places like Tyler, Texas, Longview, Texas, Hot Spring, Texarkana, same place, McAlester, Texas, even near Fort Smith, Arkansas, and close to the southwest side of Little Rock, Arkansas. This is crazy, folks. If you guys live in this area, please take your tornado precautions seriously, because as yesterday's episode, there was a 10% chance of significant tornadoes. How about we add in a 15% chance of significant tornadoes for the state of Texas and Oklahoma, as well as Arkansas, much of Arkansas too. This is going to be a very dangerous weather. In fact, there's even severe weather risk all the way up into the Chicago suburbs. Other places to think about: if you're living near Fort Smith, Arkansas, be prepared. And even Shreveport, Louisiana. This will be a shorter episode, but 15% chance there will be multiple tornadoes. It will be long track tornadoes potentially. I think it will be a severe weather outbreak. Unfortunately, due to classes and other circumstances, I can't live stream this, but I'm just gonna post a video. I might post another one tonight, if we might, just so you guys to see. And let's look at the other chances. Even look at that. There's a 45% chance of significant hail of 2 inches in diameter. Not hail. This is 15% chance of wind. Gusts of over 70 to 75 miles per hour. And let's look at the hail. Hail's not a big deal, but it's going to be a damaging wind and tornado risk. Mostly it's going to be forming out of hail, a big line that will form later this afternoon. It will be, in fact, in the next hour or two, the severe weather outbreak will be starting, and I'll be posting this video at 1 o'clock Central Time, right when the severe weather outbreak is forecast to develop. So here the NAM 12 kilometers, a little outdated, but let's take a look what NAM 12 kilometers is showing, guys. The storm should develop by 1 o'clock, but since this uploads about a few hours early, you can say by here, you can see some storms that develop. It's a little harder to detect, but these are the storms right over Dallas that will produce tornadoes likely, which is why Dallas is a 10% risk. This is the cold front and the dry line as well. The dry line will turn into a substantial cold front later this afternoon. These are the storms right here out ahead of this cold front that could produce tornadoes and that will produce tornadoes. But they'll be forming into a line very quickly. But any of these storms in the cold front line will produce a tornado, if not just 70, 80, 90 mile per hour wind gusts. It keeps on getting really intense into Texas, into the overnight hours, even into Louisiana, Mississippi, Arkansas, even Missouri might get into some storms. Heavy rain for Illinois as well before it makes its way east, and it still looks like a very intense storm system for tomorrow as well, before it dies out. So now we'll take a look. Let's quickly look at how do these guys look. Look at that. The hornograph looks very solid. Expecting pretty solid cape. A lot of wind shear right here. So overall favorable environment, even though there's some clouds and potentially some cap going on right now. So take a look at this is the brand new 15Z. It's pretty much all we need right now because the tornado outbreak is forecast to develop right about now. This is 2 o'clock, should be developing just east of Texas, but any of these storms you can see here near Waco, here just to east of Dallas, even southern Oklahoma, even central Oklahoma can get some kidney bean shape. Like you can see, this guy looks like kidney bean, these guys look like kidney beans before they form into a line. Right about here, I think the tornado risk will be from about 3 p.m. down to 6 p.m. before they form a line. And even if you get storms to develop out ahead of the line, they will still produce tornadoes, if not some significant damage for Texas and Oklahoma. So if you guys living in this region, please take it seriously. It's going to be a very dangerous day out ahead of it as well. So take a look at one more model High resolution. I like the high resolution. They've been pretty accurate. It shows some severe thunderstorm warnings as well. So I can see storms developing right about 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, give or take an hour. These are the storms out ahead of it that could produce tornadoes, and they'll probably be here. This is the time right now. This is probably 4 to 5 o'clock. I think the peak time for tornadoes to develop. For the line comes in. I'll move this again so you can see the line, the intersect, and then move it to the east and produce a lot of damaging winds and large hail as well, but mostly damaging winds and tornadoes. So we'll take a look at a couple more models. Let's look at the RAF as well. I like the RAF. They're pretty good too. They're outdated. It shows, look at this, right about here. Again, 3 to 5 is when the tornadoes will be. Severe weather is definitely going to be in the forecast, and some snow in Oklahoma. What about that? There'll be tornadoes in southeast Oklahoma, New Mexico, Oklahoma, and some nice snowfall as well. So guys, short video, just want to let you guys know we have a moderate risk for tornadoes with a 15% chance tornadoes. Even as far north as Chicago, there's some severe thunderstorm warnings here near Dubuque, Iowa, but anywhere in the marginal risk, even the slight risk, and especially the enhanced risk and moderate risk, please take it seriously today. There will be a lot of tornadoes potentially. It's going to be a dangerous day ahead, and guys, take this seriously. So guys, thanks for watching. I know it's going to be a short episode. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later, maybe later today. Or if not, I'll post a community tab letting you guys know how the forecast is. They definitely uptick the severe weather risk. So guys, enjoy your day, and I'll catch you guys for another video, and goodbye everybody.